Every morning I start my day by watching this channel. In this channel we can watch live telecast of Vaishno Devi temple in the morning, scent do hymn, and with this we can get freshness in our life. So everyone who wants to watch, they can watch through this. Good morning everyone, I hope you're doing well. You can see lot of fog is here, nothing is visible, it's awake. I'm ready to go to my office. I'm in a hurry, it's almost 9 o'clock. Right now I'm waiting at the traffic light for the signal to turn green. Finally I have reached the office. I reached my destination. Now I'm going. Let's see. Bit sunny and people are come out from their houses and basking in the sun, and I am exploring. I'm roaming around. Evening time, it's so foggy today. Traveling is difficult this time. Look, there's a heavy traffic on the road. Now I'm in the grocery market and I'm going to buy potatoes and onions. Home sweet home. This is a speaking practice challenge day 4. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe Bakulbisht Learneruk channel. Thank you.